Hello everyone, welcome to Positive Solution. And there is some issue while registering to the Adfly account. Yeah, after registering to the, many people are facing the problem that they are not receiving the confirmation email. Yeah, I also see in the forum page there are lot many issues. So today I'll be solving you this issue. So what you need to do is that open the mail that you have provided. So the main reason is that actually they have sent the confirmation email, but this Gmail is not showing because it's Adfly account. You get paid for the link, so there are a lot many people have spammed the link, so it is considered as a spam. So what you need to do is that click on this more, and you have to click on this spam tab. So you can see now they have actually sent the confirmation mail. Adfly. Yep. So here's the confirmation page. So you need to go to this link. The confirmation page will appear here. So next you need to copy this code and you need to register here. So that's it guys. I hope I solved your problems. So make sure you subscribe for the positive life and leave a comment if you have any doubt. So thanks for watching guys.